Y'all ready?
Stay gremlins, Layla! Make it shake.
Who's that fish?
God damn, boy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today's the video that I've been waiting for so long because now we're getting even super closer to wrapping the truck. A lot of y'all have been asking why I haven't wrapped my truck yet, and it's because I've been waiting for the supercharger to come in, and it finally got here. F1 Pro Charger. I wish. No, I'm just playing. But we are gonna do the SS bumper today. Super excited. This is what the truck honestly has been needing. This SS bumper is gonna take this truck to the next level. Honestly, it's gonna look super crazy. We are wrapping it though, so we're just gonna paint it today. It's in this box, so it has to get opened up. I don't know how they put that whole bumper in this little box, but yeah, we won't have to have this motherfucker outside. We're gonna drive and go drop the bumper off right now and let it air out. And this weekend, we're gonna paint it, throw the bumper on, and see how it goes.
Gang and face shot gang. Fuck they talking, we paint shit up in the collar. Bro, my dog, cause he go 60 to dish on sniper. He over feel like run on the side, little nigga, you stay by damn no place.
This was actually a really hard decision because I did not know if I wanted to keep the HD bumper and just wrap the truck itself, or just go SS how we're going today. But obviously, we got the bumper, so now we have to send it. All right, y'all, so we made it. Here, drop off the bumper. So if you guys need the paint code for the bumper or any parts, the paint code will be actually in the glove compartment. Just take a picture of that, look it up anywhere, the paint code will pop up. We are gonna color match it to the Silverado right now, this color. I don't really care if it comes out too perfect just because we are gonna wrap the truck, so it doesn't really matter. If you guys are interested in this truck right here, it is for sale. We're in Manteca, California. This one has an SS bumper already, super clean, low mileage, sunroof. This truck's immaculate, man. I'm just excited to put this SS bumper on. It's gonna look super good. Get your last good look at the bumper, because this bad boy's coming on. We're all late to work right now, so I'm gonna head out right now, leave the bumper here, but I'll catch up with y'all then. All right, y'all, new day. I was gonna film the whole process of the bumper getting painted, but I just got super busy with work and then just Cinco de Mayo having a good time. The bumper is done. Got prepped, primed, painted, the whole mook, the whole thing. I did get pictures of a little crack in it. Nothing major. Honestly, we can fix it real quick, and the girl's probably gonna hide it, but the bumper's right here. We're gonna check it out right now. Yo, not too bad for a rookie. Yeah. No, this shit looks hella good. Man, shout out to my pops, man. He honestly killed it on the bumper. It looks really super good. The paint actually matches a lot better than what the paint is on my actual hood. The middle grill still hasn't came in, but we got something getting done to that, so we're not gonna just give that out yet. All right, y'all, it's a whole other day. The paint was still wet on the bumper, so I didn't want to risk it and be impatient. So we waited it out, did the right thing. We gotta get the bumper put on, we gotta get the grills put on. We gotta get pretty much everything put on besides a couple parts. I do gotta go to work soon, so I came, prepared. And there'll be a lot of shit going on that I don't be putting on YouTube, and I feel like y'all would find that shit so entertaining. Like I said, I kind of want to put that on YouTube. I want to bring y'all closer in and start recording a lot more shit outside of this car shit. My lifestyle, everything. We gonna take it to the next level. Try to really live this lifestyle through me. Everything I do, y'all gonna be me. Y'all gonna see my life through me, pretty much at this point. But yeah, we're on the way right now to my pop's house. I'm gonna put this bumper on, and I'll catch y'all then. Time to throw it on. These clips come off literally with a screwdriver, flathead. All right, grills off. That was quick. That was like 2-3 bolts. HD bumper off. 3 bolts on this side, 3 bolts on this side. Fuck, she looks ugly with no bumper. Like a fly or some shit. So this plastic piece got to come off too. And the bumper's literally gonna sit on top of that. So I'm keeping the bumper. Look at this. Man, this shit looks crazy, bro. She looks super aggressive. See, girls get BBLs, but my truck got a facelift. The bumper's going good. We do gotta lift the bottom a little bit just because that gap is kind of there. So We're gonna take it off, bolt everything on, and then y'all see the after process. I would put my finger under there, but I know you'd probably just, you know, take it off.
Squeeze it.
Bumper's on. Ready to show y'all what it looks like. Y'all ready? I don't even know if I should show y'all. I should probably just leave it for the next video. Nah, I'm gonna show y'all. Man, looks crazy good. And I still need to get the bottom grill part, so don't worry about that hole. It's not gonna stay there. We got a lip coming in for it. Painted, and the back end is not as new of a color, but it don't really matter because it's gonna get wrapped anyways. Overall, the bumper looks amazing though. I do not regret this bumper at all. What do y'all think? Comment down below. Did I mess up going with the S's bumper, or did I do the right thing and taking off the HG bumper and going with this bumper? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Let me know what y'all think. We're doing the initial mock-up real quick. Once everything's mocked up, everything's exactly where I want it, then we tighten it up. I was worried about the bumper flexing and having like the lip go up and down, but having the rods on, it should be good. Looks 10 times more aggressive. I can't wait to wrap this thing, bro. Upgrade or downgrade? If you say downgrade, you gotta be a hater, but this looks crazy. Let's turn the lights on real quick and see what it looks like. Looks insane. Man. One day, bro. One day we're gonna have one of those, watch. Rolls Royce Cullinan. This is crazy. Alright, YouTube. So right now, this is gonna be the other part I'll be talking about. The more realistic life, more of my part of my life, not the car shit. But right now we're gonna be headed out to a party, my boy's party, welcoming home party, whatever the fuck you wanna call it. So we're late as always. That's the issue with me, I'm always late. So we gotta go right now. We're here with my friend. You wanna introduce yourself?
I'm Tati. Okay.
Yeah, so we're about to head out right now. We're fitted, we still gotta pick up a bottle. Don Julio's the way to go. I don't know, what y'all think? Don Julio or Henny? Henny be on some like, I don't know.
And we were talking about, well, after you got off the phone, I think that's when it like sparked up.
Wait right here real quick. Sorry, here. Right. You just chill out right there for a bit. She's lying. I don't know why she's lying, but she's lying.
What are you?
No, I'm just saying, like, I was talking to him to go check up and make sure they're good.
Oh. Or right now.
Pick up right. Damn, shorty, you not even drunk yet? You here tripping on this shit?
Let me see.
Bro, shorty's lit. She not even drunk. Oh, they got buzz balls too. I know you fuck with buzz balls.
No, I don't.
What you feeling?
I think I want Dawn. I know if you don't want it, you don't have to.
What chaser?
I think I want something soda, like carbonated, so it could, you know. Oh, look at it. The first day we met.
They got hello though, I ain't gonna lie too. Hey, these will get you turned. I'm not even gonna lie.
You should get some.
Yeah, some of those?
You should get some.
I do need some of these. This is my favorite right here though, I ain't gonna lie. If you know me and you wanna give me a bottle, this is him. This him right here. I ain't finna lie.
Oh my gosh.
Put it back in the package so it looks like we actually, like, you know, for me, like we give it some thought. We didn't just come up and like, oh, we just found the bottle type shit.
Yeah.
But she just said she gonna buy my camera. That's crazy. I said it's $1,500 for the camera, not including the mic, and she was like, $1,500? Nigga, it's yours.
I said that's it.
She was like, put that on your wish list for Christmas.
Oh, we're watching the sunset together.
Ugly ass. Nah, that is a beautiful sunset, I ain't gonna lie though. Oh, almost bad, nigga. Alright, but we here. Hello. We got the, we got the bottle.
Okay, I say we eat 2 tacos, take shots.
2 tacos.
Take a shot.
The other one is not it. The bucket up solid one. Alright.
You're not even doing yourself.
A little one.
No.
A little one. A little one. A little. I swear I'm not joking. A little one. A little one. All right, little one. See? What was it gonna do? Dirty?
I'm waiting for this one. Hey, can you guys like?
First one. First one.
Oh, ever?
Ever. Hey, that's count.
Hey, you gotta try.
Remember when we went in?
Try. Who's gonna finish it first? Damn.
Fuck that. Woo! You don't see it back.
How was it? How was it? How was it?
Delicious. Little one. That ready to drip. I lost rate the drip.
I'm so sad. I can't breathe. Oh, it's gonna be wild.
You better get comfortable. Or
Oh
what?
my god.
Listen, I'm drunk. I don't know how to do it. But you won't lay in my bed. Fuck it. Listen. She won't lay in my bed. Fuck it. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, y'all. It's a whole nother day. We're here at Cars and Coffee. Got the Mamalona. First pop out with the new setup. I'm in love. My boy single cab right here. Got my Mamalona. True track gears. 373s. Shit, supercharged? That's crazy.
Bro, this car's sick, bro.
Yeah, Kenny Bell.
426.
It's a wrap?
It's like paint.
Damn.
Yeah, it's painted as fuck.
Even did the intake? Now this is what I want right here. Damn, boy. 0-1.
But I just went because he's hella good what he does.
You know, GP tuning.
I love vets. It's so wet. Totally, we're gonna bring a vet to the channel. I don't know when, but we're bringing a vet to the channel. Man, this shit straight as fuck. Body lines, everything. SS. LS3. V2 thing. This shit clean. Y'all go see us on the channel coming soon. We're gonna do a ride along with this one. 1,000 horsepower. Finally got the inches figured out on this though, so we can actually get on it this time.
6.0?
6.0?
Yeah, around 6.0.
What the fuck, you're supercharged again?
Yeah.
Oh shit, I did not know that.
Yeah. This G8 brackets off of one of these. Yeah,
Damn.
fit right in, bro.
Is it? That boy got handles, I ain't gonna. this shit shouldn't be illegal. This shit should not be legal. Well, it's not, but it should not be on the street. All right, y'all, we haven't been to this spot since I first started YouTube. Back when the truck was still raised. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys like the way the truck's going along. Honestly, we're gonna keep working hard this year to stay consistent. If you haven't yet, make sure you guys leave a like down below, subscribe. It helps out the channel, I'm telling you. We wouldn't be here if you guys weren't subscribing and liking the videos. But nonetheless, it's your boy Legacy Jr. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.